1. Fan Kuang Yao as Lin Yuan Ming, 50 years old, 2025, 41 years old, 2016. 2. Samantha Ko as Chen Pei Ling, 57 years old, 2025, 48 years old, 2016. 3. Wu Kang Ren as Lin Yida, 42 years old, 2025, 33 years old, 2016. 4. Chen Yu as Lin Yishan, 30 years old, 2025, 21 years old, 2016. 5. Deng Yu Kai as Lin Yiqian, 30 years old, 2025, 21 years old, 2016. 6. Esther Yeh as Ren Jiao, 34 years old, 2025, 25 years old, 2016. 7. Greg Hsiu as Zhuang Haoyang, 34 years old, 2025, 25 years old, 2016. 8. Yeh Hsiao Fei as Lu Yi, 31 years old, 2025, 22 years old, 2016. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for subscribe.